1 tambah 1 sama dengan 2, 11 kali 11, 121, 12 kali 12, 144, 8 kali 8, 6 kali 4. Yang waras ya, nggak boleh dipelintir, yang waras.
Kedewasaan itu adalah saat kamu menyadari bahwa 1 kali 0 sama dengan 0, 2 kali 0 sama dengan 0, 10 kali 0 sama dengan 0, 100 kali 0 sama dengan 0. Yang artinya, tidak peduli berapa ratus kali kamu berusaha lebih keras, tapi kalau dari pihak dia, nol effort, maka hasilnya tetap nol. Paham kan sekarang?
Why you miss them even when they treated you badly. This is the paradox nobody understands. If someone treated you badly, logic says you should feel relieved they're gone, but instead you crave them. You replay moments, you check their socials, you feel weak. This is the real psychology behind it. 1. They hijacked your self-worth. When someone treats you badly, but still keeps you around, your mind starts asking a dangerous question. What do I need to do to finally be enough? Now your value is tied to their approval. Winning them back feels like winning back yourself. That's why letting go feels like losing power, not gaining peace. 2. Your brain is addicted to emotional inconsistency. They weren't always bad. They were unpredictable. Sometimes warm, sometimes cold, sometimes loving, sometimes cruel. That inconsistency creates the strongest addiction the human brain can experience. It's called intermittent reinforcement, the same mechanism used in casinos. Your brain isn't chasing them. It's chasing the high they used to give you randomly. 3. Your ego wants closure, not love. You don't miss how they made you feel. You miss the version of yourself who thought, if I just tried harder, it would work. Your ego wants to rewrite the ending, to prove it wasn't you. But chasing closure from someone who disrespected you only deepens the wound. 4. Trauma bonds feel like chemistry. This is the darkest part. The anxiety, the longing, the obsession. Your body mistakes emotional pain for emotional depth. Calm feels boring. Respect feels unfamiliar. Peace feels empty because chaos became home. That's why healthy connections feel off after toxic ones. Here's the brutal truth. You don't miss them because they were special. You miss them because they trained your nervous system. And healing doesn't start with distraction. It starts with understanding the psychological trap you fell into. Missing someone who hurt you doesn't mean you're weak. It means you were psychologically conditioned. And once you see the pattern, it loses power. Never fall into that trap again.
Nantinya kamu akan mengerti bahwa memang ada orang yang benar-benar tidak akan pernah tumbuh. Dia tidak belajar dari pengalamannya, dia tidak mengenali kesalahannya, dia tidak mengakui perbuatannya, dan dia tidak merasa bersalah atas masalah yang dia buat sendiri. Kamu tidak akan pernah menerima sebuah permintaan maaf tulus darinya, dan kamu tidak akan pernah melihat perubahan sikapnya.